Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to lock and unlock a page in Notion. So yeah guys, make sure to watch the quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Notion.so website and log into your account. After logging into your account guys and creating your Notion, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the pages and your workspaces that you have right here in Notion. So guys, if you look at the left side of the screen, here we can see our Notion, we can use the search bar or we can see updates and so on. We have our theme spaces here. Here are our private pages. We can either add pages or a new theme space. Here we can add pages to your theme space and so on. So guys, the first thing you want to do to be able to lock a page is do the following. You want to go ahead to the page that you want to lock. So let's say I want to lock the movie list page. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the movie list page guys. As you can see now, this has opened up this new page where I can see my movies that I have. This is my page. So guys, all you have to do to be able to lock a page is go right here in the upper right corner where these three dots are. You want to go ahead guys and click these three dots, as this will open up the drop down menu for options. And as you can see now, you have multiple options to edit your page, such as your style, your text, your width and so on. What you want to do guys is go ahead and click this option right here called lock page. So guys, go ahead and click on lock page right here. And after clicking on lock page guys, now you can see that we have successfully locked our page right here. It says locked in the upper corner. And guys, now it will be locked and will not be able to be moved. So guys, if you want to lock it, you just have to go back to the page and go ahead back to the drop down menu and click on lock page. And now we have successfully unlocked our page. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.